In this video, I'll be talking about what stock we traded today, what are the profit me and my clients were able to book today. I'll be showing you with the profit proof, and also I'll be telling you guys how you can make consistent profit like us. Hi guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be talking about what stock we traded today, what are the profit me and my clients were able to book today. I'll be showing you with the profit proof, and also I'll be telling you guys how you can make consistent profit like us. Okay, so to get all this information, make sure you watch this video till the end. And before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to a stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money constantly in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people got into my trading program and now they are making money constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Once you join us, you'll be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. And also if you're new to a stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. And also if you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. You can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. If you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit from now, you can join us. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. And also, once you join us, I'll be guiding you how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading, how to pick the stocks every day, and almost 95% accuracy strategies, and a very good trading system, and also a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. All these things I'll be teaching you once you join us. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let's talk about today's trade. Today we trade on ICICI Bank and our targets were achieved and the stock gave a very good movement today. So now let me show you the first profit screenshot. So here is the first screenshot of profit: 5,900 rupees profit, 2,475 rupees profit, 1,375 rupees profit, 1,554 rupees profit, 1,012 rupees profit, and 3,120 rupees profit. So these are the profit what we're able to achieve today in today's trade of ICICI Bank. If you guys wish to make constant profit like this, you can join us today. And also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to make constant profit like this, you can join us today. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.